Hi guys, welcome to my channel Yummy Creation. I'm going to share with you this incredible easy cabbage recipe. Come and join me. We are going to use 1 cup mozzarella cheese, grate 2 baby marrow, grate 1 small onion and squeeze all the liquid out. Cut the yellow pepper into small pieces. Two cups of white cabbage. Shred the cabbage into small pieces. One cup red cabbage, shredded into small pieces. Tablespoon salt, tablespoon paprika, teaspoon cayenne pepper, quarter teaspoon chili flakes. Sprinkle some black pepper. Three tablespoons all-purpose flour. 2 eggs Mix until everything is coated. Add the cheese and mix everything together. Add oil in a non-stick pan over a medium heat. Put the mixture into the pan. Flatten gently. Cook 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and crisp. Repeat the same process until finish. Please guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be able to see easy, healthy and delicious recipes. Our cabbage pancakes are cooked. Just remove them from the stove and serve them while they're still hot. Mine, I drizzle some sweet chili sauce. You can use any sauce that you want. You can use garlic, yogurt dip, or soy sauce, plus sesame oil. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to check my other videos.